The students each year and every year we've been coming to this event have been excellent. The projects have been first class, and every year we're really impressed with the quality of the work the students are doing. Engineering and IT as a whole is an area on the up, and the quality of students coming out of here are fantastic. My advice to them would be come in with your eyes open and be adaptable, because you never know where this degree can take you, and it really opens a lot of doors for you.
So our project is a prescription management system which involves an electronic pillbox that allows patients to take their medications when alerted, and allows the doctor to see when they've been taking them using their user interface. All this is connected through a hub device such as a mobile phone.
We had to get a server, we had to get hardware engineered, lots of these different components all coming together in a very short amount of time. We were getting a lot of experience from Telstra and helping us get this all set up. And one of the most insightful things about that probably was the insight in bringing these sorts of projects and these sort of products to market in something that's sellable.
So our robot was an agricultural farming robot. It was entered into a competition for National Instruments.
We were each given a different task for the robot, and we all had to bring it together to implement an effective and working robot.
I think projects like this are really helpful for real-world experience.
The student showcase tonight illustrates the depth and quality of not only the projects that have been presented, but also the expertise and skill level of the students. So I think it has been excellent. I find La Trobe graduates highly employable. I think they have the capacity to be flexible and to be adaptable and to grow in the role. And in fact, all but 3 of my staff members are La Trobe graduates.
Industry, of course, has a completely different focus to universities. Historically speaking, universities have been focused on theoretical applications of engineering and science, whereas industry takes a lot of our knowledge, applies it, produces real outcomes. Students are now much more closely related to industry. They need to be ready to tackle problems immediately. It's important for industry to be involved throughout our course and also in this showcase to demonstrate to students what is required to take on much bigger problems in industry.
We built an iOS application called Remote Health. It uses web RTC technologies based on Google's API to establish video communications between medical professionals and clients in rural areas of Australia.
We've been introduced to some technologies that are used in massive industries, which is going to help us with our jobs in the future.
Our project was to develop a website for primary school students to control these relatively expensive Lego robots through the internet.
The most valuable thing I've learned working on the project is how to work with a team to complete a project of this scale, learning how to manage time and division of labour, giving different tasks to different people and bringing it all together to form one large whole.
The presentations have been really good. We've been able to offer feedback to the students not just on a technology basis but also on a professionalism basis as well, on how to present and how to show your findings to a public audience. Don't be deterred by there's a perception, I think, in the marketplace, especially in high school, that maybe ICT, for example, might not be a good industry to get into in Australia at the moment. I would disagree strongly. Pick an area that you're interested in and just hone your skills on that and build your network, because at the end of the day it's all about the people you know, the advice that you glean from those people.
Oh, they're of a high calibre, you can tell. Like, I've had a walk around this evening, and just their knowledge and having a deeper understanding of their subject material. It's not just bound by what's in the textbook. You've got to enjoy what you do. It's a very rewarding career, and it's a very innovative and challenging career. Having that love for engineering puts you on the right path.
I would really like to encourage industry partners to consider what a student, a university student, an engineering student or computer science student in this case, could contribute to your company.